Right, here's the news, yeah? I'm buying a canal boat. But don't try and talk me out of there. I've got enough of that from sort of family and friends. I think they think I'm a crackpot. Well, that's why I'm most excited. Because can you imagine the street photography videos that we're going to be doing from the vantage point of a boat, which is going to be moving continuously, pretty much, frequently, every few weeks. I thought about doing maybe like a subsidiary channel, like, I don't know, like Cockney on a boat or something like that. So I can literally do daily vlogs. The world's our oyster, so to speak. As long as the boat stays buoyant, it's all systems go. Wait, it's going to be a nice boat. It's not going to be some Peaky Blinders kind of deal. What I'd love you guys to do is leave a comment and let me know your thoughts, what you think about the whole barmy scheme. Thanks for asking. Right, I'm over near Broadway Market, London Fields. I've shot a whole bunch of videos there before, and it's like a place that I absolutely love to shoot. But I'm over here to meet up with my friend Emma, who's having a baby, and it's a little gift. I'm gonna do a little kind of maternity shoot for her. But at the same time, got a little bit of time. I thought I'd get some shots for you guys, but I got sidetracked by this. Guys, I'm not kidding you. This is literally the juiciest burger I've ever tasted anywhere. I mean, I've had burgers everywhere. So I'm here to tell you that the Market Cafe on Broadway Market is literally the juiciest burger I've ever tasted. It's not just that though, it's the bun. There's nothing worse than eating a burger and like everything's taken care of. It's a really nice juicy burger, the salad's great, and basically the bun just falls apart on you at the first sign of a little bit of stress. But they've tumbled it. So yeah, Market Cafe, Broadway Market. You're gonna love it. Whenever I'm going to Broadway Market, I always divert for a few minutes into this side street here because you have this kind of underpass. There's always like fresh new billboard, really cool billboards up, and there's a really nice spill of light that's always present because you've got that open shelter. We got lucky today because there was this guy who was jet washing his car, and he was throwing up this spray. It was almost looked a little bit like a fog or a smoke, and well, I got this shot, which I'm really happy about. Hello, how you doing? Lovely, isn't it?
Great.
Are you alright there?
Yes.
Do you want to get up on this curb?
Not till we get to the straight.
Okay, and you'll be alright, yeah?
There's still a slope here.
We've done this for 20 years.
Have you?
Well, nearly.
It's changed around here, hasn't it? Not changed much in 20 years though, has it?
For the better.
Yeah, oh yeah. Let's get your picture. Yeah, hold up. Handsome.
Yes, as handsome does.
Well, I used to live around here. I lived but more Limehouse.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, that neck of the woods. But
Yes,
where do you guys live? Around here then?
just here,
What? How long for?
20 years. I worked till I was 70, to the very day, and the very day of 70 I
You gave it up. But it's nice around here now.
very nice.
Yeah. You got London Fields up there. My girlfriend doesn't live too far. Well, she lives sort of Hackney, near Hackney Central, more Homerton.
Yes.
But she goes a lot to the Lido.
The narrow way.
Ah?
The narrow way is on Hackney, isn't it?
We
That's it.
worked in Frinton on Sea. You ever heard
I know Frinton. Yeah, I've been to Frinton. Let me get your picture together. Come together and I'll get you a photograph. Oh, that's so nice. Thank you.